Hello, welcome to Learn with the Daily YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is box model in CSS. First of all, the box model contains the border, margin, and the padding elements. Now let us discuss about what is border, margin, and padding. Here border means the border is the line that wraps around the content of the web page. That means if we paste any content in the web page, then that content around the border is created. We can define border in two ways. First method, border colon size color comma trail semicolon. Here example, border equal to border colon 3 pixels, color violet color, and trail solid. Here you can observe the example. And what is the second method to apply borders in the web page? The second method is the single method, that is for every line the borders is useful. If we want to apply the borders in different fonts, if I want to apply the top of the border in one color and bottom of the border in another color, then border second method is useful. Let us see what is border top. It creates the top line of the border. Here I am given border top equal to 5 pixel, yellow color and dashed lines. It gets to 5 pixels and the border top appears in yellow color and the tail appears in dashed lines. Next, border right. Here border right means the right side line will be appeared to the red color and good trail will be applied to the border right. And what is padding? We can define padding in two ways. First way, padding is the space between the content and the border of an element. That means the padding provides the space between the border and the content of the element. That means if I want to provide space between the border and the content between, then I use padding. And it is the use of padding. Here there are two ways to define padding in CSS. First method, padding colon 10 pixels semicolon. It will get the 10 pixels for the 4 size of the border. Or I can use padding colon 10 pixels comma 30 pixels comma 70 pixels comma 60 pixels semicolon. Here what happens means the each side of the line will be adjusted to the ratio size that I have been given. Here the top side is adjusted to 10 pixels and the top right side and the right side is adjusted to 30 pixels and the bottom is adjusted to 70 pixels and left side is adjusted to 60 pixels. Like that, the padding element is created. And what is margin? Margin is the space outside the border of an element. That means the margin provides the space outside of the border. That means margin is invisible. It can't be visible in the web page. But margin occupies the size and space of it. Let us discuss about margin. Here we can define margin in two ways. Example, margin colon 10 pixels comma 30 pixels comma 70 pixels comma 60 pixels semicolon. Here what happens means the margin is adjusted to the given pixels, that is top side 10 pixels and right side 30 pixels and bottom 70 pixels and left side 60 pixels, or we can define a margin in each element. Like I am taking margins of column 10 pixels, here margin bottom 30 pixels. Here we can define in two ways, but both the ways are work like same. Here if we want to write single line in the code, then the first method is very useful. Let us see the example program for border, padding and margin. Here I am taken HTML file. In the HTML file, I link the external CSS file with the link tag and paste the CSS file name in a href. And in HTML file, I paste the content properties concept. And then in CSS file, I write the properties for the content to be applied. In external CSS file, I write the properties, that is margin colon 50 pixels semicolon, border colon 20 pixel, comma, orange, comma, solid semicolon. Here I am taken the first method in the border because it is very easy to apply the first method. That's why I taken. If you want to take second method, then you can also take second method. Then third method is padding colon 10 pixel semicolon. Here margin is adjusted to 50 pixel and border is adjusted to 20 pixels, and the color of the border is orange color. That will be border will be applied orange color, and the border style is solid. That means thicker lines will be appear. And the padding, then I give 10 pixels. The 10 pixel size will be adjusted between each content in the web page. Let us see the output. Here pixels is used for the display measurement. The display measurements in pixels. Let us see the output. Here you can upgrade the output. Here the border is applied in orange color and the paste 50 pixels is applied around the border, that is margin. The border appears in orange color and the padding between and the padding provides the space between border and the elements. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand my explanation, then give a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.